Please welcome Opel CEO, Florian Hüttel.
Well, good morning, and welcome. Welcome to Munich, welcome to Opel. Welcome to a brand with a clear plan for the future of mobility. At Opel, it is our belief that individual mobility must be electric, easy, and exciting. And at this year's IAA Mobility, you will see how all elements of our plan come together. Already today, we can confidently say Opel is electric. Already today, we have 15 electrified models in our lineup, from the Rox Electric up to the Movano E. And already today, we see that our strategy of taking our models into the electric future is successful, because Opel is growing. Our sales are up 12% this year, and our full electric sales are up 34% over last year. Now, what this means is more and more new customers choose Opel today, especially thanks to our full battery electric lineup. Now, we have come a long way already on our electrification journey, and we continue to push forward with our plan. In 2024, we will accomplish the first chapter of our electrification. In 2024, every Opel will be available with a battery electric version. In 2024, it will therefore be fully up to the customer to decide whether their new Opel should be electric already. And from 2025, we will take the next step. From 2025, all newly introduced Opel models will be launched as a purely battery electric vehicle only. This shows that we're not only ready for the biggest transformation in the automotive industry, we are ahead of it. And at this year's IAA Mobility, we give a very tangible vision of this next chapter of our brand. We show a stunning concept car for the very first time, the Opel Experimental. Our Experimental illustrates the direction our brand takes in terms of concept, technology, and design. But first, please let me touch on a premiere that you can already see around me here on our booth, our new Blitz. The Blitz is more than a logo to us. It is our guiding compass. It represents who we are and what we do. As a symbol for electricity, the lightning bolt is the perfect logo for a brand that follows a clear path towards electromobility. And the first car to feature the latest interpretation of our Blitz is, of course, hiding under the cover here. Now, to help me with the reveal of our Opel Experimental, I would like to ask our Vice President Design, Mark Adams, to join me on stage. Please welcome Mark.
Hi, Florian.
Hey, Mark. Yeah, Mark, hey, it's great to have you here on stage today to talk us through our concept car.
Thanks, Florian, and we're really proud of what we've created here because it gives a glimpse of our future design.
The Experimental really is a guiding light for the future of the Opel brand.
Yeah, absolutely. And the intention is to show specific elements that you will see on future Opel production vehicles, while also giving a clear indication of where the brand's heading.
Yeah. So, let's now unveil the Opel Experimental.
What if? What if we take the lead into a fully charged tomorrow and let our minds be electrified? What if we focus all our energy into one vision, transforming electrification into excitement? What if we embrace silence over noise to hear the sound of the future? Energized with curiosity, driven by our compass. Discover the power of what if.
So here it is, our stunning Opel Experimental. Mark, over to you.
Thanks, Florian. And as you've heard already, we have sharpened our new Blitz. And on the experimental concept, we illuminate the Blitz and proudly position it at the focal point of our new brand face. So let's go take a look. And as I just mentioned, the Blitz is at the center of both our horizontal element and now the new vertical element, which we call the compass lighting signature. And we've inset that compass within the new 4D visor. Now that's a combination of beautiful three-dimensional detailing, and the 4D element is to really show what we're doing with the collection of sensors. So the cameras, the LiDARs, the radars are all integrated into this visor element here. And even the lighting is elegantly integrated within that compass lighting signature. And then as we move around to the side of the car, you can see these really powerful muscular wheel arches and these crisp, flattened sections that help almost visually press the car to the ground, giving it a very sporty and dynamic stance. And then on this vehicle, we've got this gliding silhouette that really emphasizes the aerodynamic efficiency of the car. And we've integrated all sorts of active features in this vehicle to optimize the aerodynamics. Another interesting detail that you'll start to see on future Opels is these three-zone wheels. And on this car, these flaps adjust again to optimize the aerodynamic performance. And then at the rear of the car, we again repeat the compass lighting signature, but this time we use the Opel word mark in the center. So we have the emblem at the front and the word mark at the rear. And again, this car has this super tapered look again to give it a very powerful stance. So overall, the modern, progressive, and desirable proportions are something that you're going to see on many future Opels. And of course, we always design with a modern and responsible mindset to minimize our CO2 footprint. And we will use our EV technologies combined with recycled and sustainable materials to drive this further. And we call this Greenovation. This mindset follows through to the interior, where we will bring the Opel Pure experience. We want to liberate space and dematerialize our interiors, replacing screens with augmented projection technology. And we will paint with light to express emotions and enhance safety through new perspectives. In Opel, every journey will be a pure experience. And as mentioned earlier, our future models will follow these principles, bringing exciting vehicles to every segment, using bold and pure design, Greenovation, and Detox as their foundation. We call this German energy. So I hope you've enjoyed the brief tour of the Experimental. Thank you, and back to you, Florian.
Yes. Oh, thank you very much, Mark. Thank you. So, as you just heard from Mark, the Opel Experimental really is a guiding light in many ways for our brand. In line with our overall strategy, it is based on a purely electric platform. This is the direction which we will take as of 2025. The Experimental really illustrates how we imagine the future of Opel: electric, easy, and exciting. We make e-mobility easy, both today and in the future. We do this by taking a holistic approach to electromobility, and being part of Stellantis puts Opel in a great position here. From state-of-the-art BEV platforms to in-house battery production and complete charging solutions, Opel has the full electric ecosystem. And we can propose to our customers the best technology in all areas. Our dedicated BEV platforms will allow us to take the next step in terms of efficiency. The platforms will have up to 700 kilometers of range. They will feature modern e-motors, enabling electric all-wheel drive. Charging them will be possible in around 25 minutes, and these platforms will benefit from best-in-class weight. And we can offer them to customers starting from around 25,000 euros. So now let me turn to two heroes that form the heart of the brand today. First, the Opel Astra Sports Tourer Electric. This newcomer represents the next logical step in the evolution of our Astra series. Like its Astra siblings, the Astra Sports Tourer is designed, engineered, and manufactured at our headquarters in Rüsselsheim, Germany. Lightweight, efficient, the Astra Sports Tourer Electric represents a highly attractive package for our customers. It offers all the practicality you expect from an Opel estate, and it has a range of over 400 kilometers. It can even reach a top speed of 170 kilometers an hour, perfect for a German Autobahn. And the Astra Sports Tourer Electric is really representative of the way we give customers the choice already today by electrifying the cars they know and love. And this brings me to another world premiere at this year's IAA Mobility, our new Opel Corsa. The Corsa is, of course, highly important for Opel. This model has been at the forefront of individual mobility for over 40 years because it has always brought technical innovations to the small car segment. The Corsa was the best-selling small car in Germany and in the UK in the last 2 years. It is another prime example of how we are bringing electromobility to all our customers across the most important segment and on our beloved cars. The Corsa now offers a new, more powerful electric motor and a range of over 400 kilometers. Production has already started. The first cars are already on their way to dealerships as we speak. Now, to sum up, the new Opel Corsa and the Astra Sports Tourer are stunning electric vehicles. They offer state-of-the-art technology and a great range for everyday usage. And now, I would like to invite our Vice President Marketing, Rebecca Reinermann, to join me here on stage. Please welcome Rebecca. Hi, Rebecca.
Hi, Florian.
So, Rebecca will show you how we are revolutionizing the way Opel interacts with our customers. Rebecca, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Florian. Let me start by sharing a truly startling statistic with you. All data ever created until 2003 is equal to the amount of data we now create every other day. And if that is not mind-boggling already, 90% of the world's data didn't even exist 12 months ago. It's clear we're all facing a sheer information overload. For car buyers, this means before even entering a showroom, they spend an average of 15 hours of surfing through all the information there is online. Now, we believe shopping for an Opel must be clear, easy, and fun. How do we achieve this? First, to help our customers with their choice, our product range is built up in a very easy way. For example, we have 2 trims, you choose your color, that's it. Secondly, already today, 75% of the online interaction between our customers and us is via a mobile phone. We do everything on this little helper, right? Our society lives a small screen revolution. And consequently, our customers expect to connect with us on their mobile phones in the easiest way. To serve them properly, everything is now in one place. Product information, services, financial offers, and customer benefits as well. We're rewriting the rules around product discovery. By just using your thumb to scroll, tap, and swipe, you can zoom in and out, open doors, get inside, and really experiencing the vehicle from all angles, in your own time, in real time, wherever you are. Today, Opel is already at the forefront of digital sales. 1 in 6 customers already buys an Opel via our online store. It is remarkable that especially BEV customers show a higher interest in buying their cars online. So BEVs and a digital purchase experience are key parts of the transformation of the automotive industry. They are connected, and we're ahead of it. Certainly, for some customers, a direct contact with the retailer is key, and let me assure you, this will remain. We will enable direct interaction between both within the digital experience. Our mission is to have your complete journey easy and enjoyable. The new Opel digital experience is created for you to choose when, where, and how to take each step of your purchase process. It is fully integrated, seamless, all in one unique scroll. A truly enjoyable way to buy an Opel. The introduction of the new Opel digital experience is set to start. In the meantime, here at IAA, you can enjoy a sneak preview. On your own phone, just scan one of the QR codes or use the big screens right here at our city center location to get a glimpse for yourself. What do you think, Florian?
Yeah, well, thank you very much, Rebecca. That's certainly an exciting way of interacting with our customers. Thank you so much for sharing it with us.
Thank you.
So, in the last minutes, you have seen our plan for the future of the Opel brand. And all of the elements are now coming together. The new Astra Sports Tourer Electric, the new Corsa Electric, a state-of-the-art approach to interacting with our customers, the progressive modern new Blitz, and the stunning Opel Experimental that gives a detailed insight into the future of our brand's concept, design, and technologies. Opel is well prepared. We have the right solutions for the electric age, and we have tools to make it easy for customers to interact with us. And we have a clear vision for the future of individual mobility. Electric, easy, and exciting. Thank you very much. Thank you.